Hi everyone. So I thought about a new design for my or the I should say the electric gold filter. The one that spins like a washer machine to force the heavies to go to the ring, the edge of the ring, the the container. And I was thinking kind of like a step ladder, that type of pattern all the way around. So as a machine is spinning, say it's spinning whatever direction, but if it's spinning to the right, it'll be dropping. Boom, 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 boom. So it will always, the material will kind of, like drop a little bit. So one side will be a little bit bigger, and then it'll loop around, and then but everything will force the gravel to move to, and that will create that vibration for the gold to travel down, to travel to the walls, to the very walls of this machine. For to maximize the gold extraction from the dirt, from the gravel. Because, or else, like, it will be like grabbing a container and applying a bunch of marbles and then putting a marble that's created out of pure gold on the very top of it. It'll just be like a cherry on top of a fucking cake. It's not going to go down. There's nothing. It would require shaking that up and down, and in the hopes that that heavier marble would drop all the way to the bottom when all this other stuff has settled. See what I'm saying? So with this siphoner, this machine spinning so fast, it would just create that same effect. So by the gravel, constantly dropping and shifting and moving, eventually that gold is going to be working its way all the way towards those walls. The wall, the rim of this barrel that moves. And I already talked about it. Like, I seen this here. Like, this will be a good one. This jar opener lid. If, that's all you guys need right there. Is some form of screw. And, connecting it, to, with a big extension So it would be more like this to like a drill up here. So this can spin, especially if you guys have, like a design there. So, and it also, I don't think it could be embezzlements, like bumps, because that might send the gold outwards. So I'm thinking the pattern, the correct pattern, the proper pattern would be a step ladder effect. And kind of like a gold pan already, right? But allowing the goal to go with that flow, not against it. Because if you go against it, then all the dirt and the gold and everything it'll stay fixed. It'll get stuck. You don't want it to get stuck. You want it to keep moving and shifting. I've even thought about it somehow vibrating, but even the vibration itself will not work. So the correct pattern will be the stepladder effect. And remembering that the thing, it can be a perfect circle on the outside, and as long as it's not moving, it should be fine. As long as it's rotating at a, good circle without it like, vibrating violently and all that, kind of like a washer, then you should be fine. And yeah, like I just wanted to talk about that and throw this idea out there to all of you because I want you guys to find gold. I want you guys to be able to come up with better ideas because we just never know how we will be using these ideas. Like, we're talking about going to Mars. And a lot of us as well, we need to learn how to recycle. There's a lot of us that are like getting a lot of stuff. We're purchasing or receiving a lot of stuff out there and we're just throwing it away. Like, there should be a record of everything. So if someone gets, if something gets updated, we can take all those parts of, all those pieces apart. That or adding them to a recycling station or containers so they could be remelted for more upgraded products. So that's the idea for the day. Thank you very much and have a great day.